Hi, this is a new series of dividend portfolio aiming $250K. Hi, let's see our current portfolio. Currently, it's worth 1155. Overall gain is 6.94. Last week, market was on downtrend. Overall gain is a negative 1.53%. Let's go to the activity. Last week, very few activity. $11 deposit, that's a regular on Thursday. Whatever it was deposited Friday prior to last week, there was a trading. Everything went to JP. The total $81 went to JP. There was no change in Costco membership. Only activity happened on car wash. Car wash monthly dividend, it's 2.14. Current value for car wash is 518.27. On to JP, our average price is now 54.83. We have a shares of 9.624. Currently JP is trading at 53, so we are on a loss, 2.05% loss. Now we can go through our dividend Excel. Here you could see monthly dividend increased to 10.78. Annual dividend is now currently 129.24. Only change is JP, now the number of shares increased to 9.6 and the total cost increased to 5.524. Yield on cost currently it's 11.19 on the portfolio. Now let's check our fire date. Our current dividend is 10.78. Calculate. So as of today, the target is 5176. Financial independent date has been changed to 2331. My age, it's reduced to 347. At that time, I would be earning 5 million. We don't have any noticeable milestones this week. We'll see what our milestones achieved so far. Thanks for watching the video.